Shoo, 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 go away, shoo. Hi there, students. To shoo. If you shoo an animal or a person as well, you make them go away. Yeah? You try to get them to leave. So maybe there is a dog digging up your garden. Shoo, shoo. Or kids are stealing the apples from your tree. To shoo somebody away, to make them go. Notice it sounds exactly like the shoe that you wear on your foot, but it's spelt differently. Or maybe the birds are eating the cherries or the strawberries in your garden. Shoo, shoo, go away. Yeah, it's the sound you use, an exclamation, to drive away unwanted animals, to drive away unwanted people. Yeah, to drive something away, to shout, shoo, go away. Or perhaps the chickens are eating your freshly planted lettuces. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Yeah, go away, to shoo someone, to scare away a cat, a dog, a chicken, a bear even, or birds or something like that. There was a travelling salesman who knocked at my door, and I shooed him away. I told him to go. I told him to leave. Shoo, all of you shoo. I'm busy. I'm too busy to do this. Would you shoo away my visitor? Shoo away the cat before it catches one of these birds. Okay, so to shoo away, to make somebody go. The police tried to shoo the people out of the square. Okay, so to shoo, to make somebody go, to ask somebody to leave, to try to frighten away, or to scare away, to drive away, to send away. So when I'm cooking, I don't like having lots of people in the kitchen, and I will shoo away anybody who is in the kitchen unless they are actually there to help me. So to shoo or to shoo away, particularly with the away, but it's not necessary. It's a word used to frighten or drive away an animal or a person. He shooed the children out of his office. To wave your arms, to I went to help her, but she shooed me away. No, go away, leave me. And this is the idea of to shoo, to get somebody to go. This is an exclamation in itself. It's something you'd say to animals or to children or even to grown-ups. Yeah, shoo, go away. I don't want you here. Please leave. So my wife shooed me out of her car and said that I had to go and I had to go to work. Okay, so to shoo somebody, to shoo away insects. It's very difficult to shoo away insects. To shoo away a cat or a dog. To shoo away the birds that are eating things. Or perhaps you're sitting at a table and the pigeons come down, or worse even, the seagulls come down and try to steal your food. So you shoo them away, you get them to go, you ask them to leave. Yeah, to frighten away a bird or an animal. Yeah, shoo, go away, leave, don't come back. Yeah, leave me alone. Okay, so to shoo. Formality. To shoo somebody away. I'm going to give it a 4 in formality. Use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, but something very formal, no. And as to origin, let's see, it may be related to a Dutch word shooen, to shun, or a German word schochen, to scare or away, or to drive away. Maybe it's just a natural exclamation. I don't know. So enough. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So, it's finished. Shoo, shoo, go away, shoo.